Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 17th, 2022. Let's talk about Nikola. Yeah, this is crazy. I want you all to see something that I've noticed on the chart that kind of tells us that this market may actually finally begin to go up in price. Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do price predictions by looking at the price volume and price bars to try to determine where the market is headed, all without the confusion. So if today is your first time seeing someone actually dropping price prediction on the price chart and you all appreciate it, then come join in with the rest of us as we continue to see this community get larger and larger. We want you all to join so that you all can participate and see how you can do this for yourself. All right, so now let's talk about Nikola real quick. I did a video on the 25th of January for Nikola. You guys can see it's still here. Yep, being fully transparent. And I was looking for the price in Nikola to go down, right? And we can say that yes, price has come down in Nikola. It has, but for the most part, this is the price action that we've been receiving from the market. Now, what does it mean? It simply means that this market is not necessarily that weak anymore. This is what I wanted to show you all. This is what I wanted to talk about for this market. Is that, yes, even though we was looking for Nikola to go down, right? It did. Let's give the market credit. We were in position to grab some of this profitability in this stock, right? Right here. This is where the buyers came into the market in Nikola. This is the thing I wanted to show you, and to show you how crazy you all can understand what the market is trying to say if you just pay attention. So seeing that we've saw numerous trading days that Nikola came in and found support above $6.50. This is where the buy zone is. This is where the market is telling us that the market is really trying to consume and buy up Nikola right there around that price. That's around 12.75% profitability. Did you do that? Because we've had opportunity to come in and eat off this play. We did. We were in profit mode numerous trading days. This is why you need to know not only where you're going to buy your position, you also need to know when you're going to sell your position, right? This long-term investing, that's all cool and dandy, but what price are you willing to take the bag? Because a lot of these YouTubers out here is dropping these long-term traders, long-term investor. I'm holding for the 5, 10, 20 years. Okay, cool. But what if the market goes exceedingly higher in the next 3 months? Let's say your position increases 1,000%. Are you still going to wait for the next 4 years? Or are you going to take your profitability? This is why I push price level and not time horizon. Because if I see my position increase 600% in the next 6 months, I'm taking a bag. I'm taking the profitability, because there's no guarantee that that 600% is either going to be there or even be higher in the next 5 years. It's highly unlikely that it's going to be a lot higher then. I'm just saying. But these YouTubers want you all to hold losing positions because they want that. It's that hope factor, that hopium, that hopefully in the next 5 years, this is going to be worth more than what I'm getting right now in the next 6 months, where I already can tell I got 600% in the bag, is in my hand. Are you going to let it go? So there's just a little spill I just wanted to drop in right there, but let's go ahead and get rid of this. Okay. So we need to come in and adjust the price chart now, because we appreciate the market giving us information day in and day out. It tells us what's going on. So this time frame that I've just circled, yeah, it's consolidation. It means that this is where the market is really conducting a lot of the buys and sells. And by us seeing price hold $6.50, guess what we're going to do now? We're going to lower this horizontal line, right? We're going to take this horizontal line and bring it down right there, because we know that this is where the buyers are at, right? And we now know as long as price in Nikola trades above $6.50, we're sitting pretty good. We at least expect the market to maintain its stability and not to crash and go below 650 as long as price stays above it. Okay. Now, The next issue though is how high. Okay. The next issue that you all can tell as I create this support area is how high you think the market's going to go. Right? So where is the lid? Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. It's right here. You see that? I've just identified the trading channel that quick. Just like that. This is the trading channel into the market in Nikola. This is where the market is bouncing in and between. Now, which one do you think is likely to break out? To the upside, to the downside? Which one do you think? Well, if you change over the time frame, you actually could tell which one is more likely. Yeah, let me show you. So I'm going to show you all the 3-day time frame here into the market in Nikola. And so far, look at all this, right? The price chart is a language. And if you're able to dispel and read what it's trying to say, you all can actually get in position and win in the market. This is strength right here. The market in Nikola is not falling. We've seen a lot of indications to where this market has soft selling, but the market has reacted with the selling. This last completed 3-day price bar right here even tells me that this market in Nikola is trying to go up. So I'm going to play that. I'm going to look for the market in Nikola to go up. Now, again, am I going to be massively bullish? No. Okay, because look at the trend. We're in a downtrend. Until we see this market really give us a major buy indication that the buyers are here, i.e. with a whole lot of volume, then yeah, we don't need to be that bullish. But we can still expect the price to go up. Okay. And we're going to play that until we see this market in Nikola break that 650 area. Now, this is the first area though for us to come in and grab the bag. Without being greedy, like I said, if the market comes in and hits your area, you need to take the bag. Because you're winning. If you hold on longer, you try to be greedy, you might turn out to be a loser. And we don't want to do that. So the first area is going to be right here around this restriction line of $8.65. The second area is going to be up here towards $9.15. That's about 13% movement higher in price for Nikola. Okay, that's the second area. $9.15. Let me drop in another price target. And it's going to be up here towards $9.70, maybe like 10, around 10. Now, that's it right there. We have $8.65, $9, and then ultimately like 10. We're going to look for the market in Nikola to hit one of those 3 price targets. Okay. And that's it. I want you all to tell me now, what is your thoughts? What is your processes as to where you think Nikola is going to go? Because we need to get ahead of the game. We need to have an edge. And in order for us to have an edge, we got to understand what the market's trying to say outside of the confusion. So the comment section is open. Drop me a comment real quick and let me know, where do you all suspect this market to go in Nikola? I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.